Sanchit, you can start.
I was sharing like that business provide a base to your children. Like I want to give an example to Prince in his field. If I will talk about that Alia Bhatt or Varun Dhawan, they have a base of because of their parents. So they
Hmm.
are well known actor in very short time. If I will talk about that Irfan Khan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, they are a good actor, but
Hmm.
they recognized very late after having a good skills. They were not known in their starting days. If I will talk about Ritik Roshan, his first movie was Kaho Na Pyar Hai, and he was a star after his first movie. And I am sure that he improved his skills of like day by day. And if you will compare his acting from his first movie to his last movie, that War or Agnipath, it's improved a lot. But he was an actor like from a day one. But again, Nawazuddin Siddiqui or Irfan Khan got that fame like recent years. So I hope any business, if I will talk about, I
I'll add one more point to this thing
yes,
only, that we have to see then Uday Chopra, Tushar Kapoor, Abhishek Bachchan, and all those Fardeen Khan, Jayed Khan, all those flop actors who are from industry, whose father was in industry, big
I
names. Firoz
I
Khan was
agree.
big star.
They
Twinkle
their
Khanna.
skills
We have
also
to see
matter. Their skills
exactly.
also matter, but at least they have a base. Like if you will think about that, a guy who don't have base, he is not able to enter. Yes, if he has a
Obviously,
base, he's good acting, then he will recognize the day. But they
obviously.
have a prepared base, right? If I will talk about that business
Yeah, yeah,
terms, that
yeah.
Mukesh Ambani or Anil Ambani's sons has their base, so they can start any business easily, and they have a again they have a good education. Some business like grow well, and some we found loss in some business as well. It's again in which business you are going to start. We are
Hmm.
talking about the base. They have a base to start a business. They have a knowledge because they are surrounding like when they have a business meeting, their family members are like in businessmen, they are from business family, so always they have a conversation. I would what I believe, like they have a conversation surrounding the business, so they have a knowledge, very good knowledge. And again they have a they done qualified course MBA from Oxford University and some other renowned universities, so they
Well,
do well in business.
sorry
Hmm.
to sorry for interruption. Actually, I totally disagree your statements, and
You have almost three,
if
5 minutes to
and
talk about. Continue.
yeah, if basically if you want to start a business,
Hmm.
you don't need any Oxford degree. You don't need any kind of assistance from your family background. If you have a skills, you have a knowledge about how to make a product or how to sell it, and if you have experienced about those things, and the money is the term that you don't have. There are so many programs in our country, like Prime Minister is providing so much loans regarding small startup businesses for startup businesses also, and you can easily contact with the bank also. They are also providing with some uh, loan for startup businesses,
Abhinav, I am
and
talking about they have a base. I am not saying that it's a necessary. My only concept is they have a base because of their parents, and there is no harm to create a base for your children. If you are doing a
Exactly.
business, or if you are in some like profession,
like what
job
what should
Exactly.
is
I say
again.
about like like a guy, bad man. If I talk about, he's a he's a man who is just roll over the for roll over the country right now, like on the business terms, and he's selling at very low cost. Without they, he makes machinery for product and everything with so much. Uh, he learned from everywhere, and he does not have any knowledge about those things, but he tried for it, and he got successful after so much time also. And that is called like something passion. If you have a passion, you
Mhm.
don't need like
Maybe she's writing a
this is
fine
not a
journal
something else
history
for.
and breathing in and Congress. Unpardonable. Yeah.
All right. So let me hear others as well. Like let's hear something from Ravi. What do you think, like Ravi? Starting a business
I
somewhere
think
like a street hawker
if you
or street vendors, right? What do you think? Like that one is better, or is it better to get a job?
doing job and doing business. So in both, if I compare both the things together, so I it is better to 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 to
Bhavna, as
involve
you
in
got
business.
connected, just we are discussing which is better, business or job, or especially if
Okay.
you have to start from scratch, like somebody who has to start
Okay.
from like zero.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
So I will also like love to listen to you. Let others speak first. Ravi is speaking. Go on, Ravi.
Yeah. So if I compare job and business, so I would prefer doing business.
Mm-hmm.
But business for business, first of all it requires what I say dedication, and because every business just start with small things. Some people just inherit, just some people just take over from their family, from their family. Okay, but some people have to start from scratch, so it requires capital.
Mm-hmm.
So they're not skillful enough, because if I talk about the skills, some people inherit it, some people learn it from studies,
Mm-hmm.
and some people just want to do it. Like some people want to be independent, like me. I don't want to do job, but I'm doing it just for it is compulsion that I'm
But
doing
you
it,
don't want
but
to
I don't
start
want
business
to.
before retirement, and you have a plan after 60.
No, not 60. I just actually just it. I'm just telling. I'm just coming on that. Actually, there is a risk involved in doing job. When sorry, in doing not doing job, doing business actually.
Mm-hmm.
When you are when you want to do business, there are some risk involved. There should be some background, at least there should be some background support.
Mm-hmm.
Like no one should be there to ask for money, or no, there should be support. Like no one should ask you like what are you doing, or in family they should support like these things. There should be at least support. So it requires support.
It is.
So most
Is
of
it
the
what you're
people,
saying, that you want to play a very safe game when when you are when you are done from
yes,
all the
yes,
responsibilities, or you have no liabilities, right?
yes,
Or you have a
yes.
secure life even if the
There are
business,
most,
even if the business fails, you would have a pension coming up to take care of your expenses.
yeah, yeah. The as of now, the risk profile is very low, and lot of people are there who are doing jobs just because of compulsion. There are a lot of youth who are not doing job just because of passion,
Mm-hmm.
just because of their passion are in different things, but they are not doing, they are not following their passion just because of the compulsion. They are doing job, but they have planning in their mind,
Mm-hmm.
which they try to execute. They they try to execute. No, they try best
Waiting for the right
from their
time.
level. Yeah,
But I mean, I
they,
don't find like you're waiting for the retirement to get the right time when you have arthritis or when you have high blood pressure or
as
sugar,
yeah,
and then you
I'm
want to
also
start a
do,
business. Like,
yes sir. I also don't know what will happen tomorrow. How can I say if you? So I go to give interview in interviewer asks me, what will you do after 5
And
years?
see, like, you're
Where
not
do you see it?
people. Average people are not Amitabh Bachchan, like or something. You can be in the pink of your health even if you're in
So,
60s.
if I talk about
Basically,
Amitabh
more
Bachchan, if I talk about other celebrities, we know them. If I talk, no, they were sometime. If I talk, sometimes earlier they were not born stars. They were not born stars, I would
No,
say.
no. I said like when you are planning to do something after retirement, you want to fulfill your dream when you are very once you are very safe, right? So let's say if you're 60, you have done all the parts of your life. You have taken, you have built a home, you have got a family, and you have nobody to answer like what you're going to do because you have done everything. And now, after that, you want to do something. So how would you be able to take risk at the age of 60?
I'm talking about the financial risk, just the financial risk.
Everybody
No,
knows if you
no.
have idea, money is not the first thing which is required for business, as Abhinav said.
yeah.
So that time I would have no. I don't want to take support from. I would start from my money. If it will,
Ravi,
if I
we have Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, everybody. The famous businessman. We are not talking about Mukesh Ambani. He inherited the business, but most of the successful business ideas, they had nothing. They have YouTube. I mean, WhatsApp. We have a lot of things to we can talk about. They started on their
like
own.
if I you're correct, sir. But let me tell you. So if I talk about talk about Zuckerberg or no, people who set up their business for if you talk about foreign countries, the
Mhm,
culture there, the culture in India, the culture in foreign,
mhm,
in foreign, you are there, the environment you cannot compare from India. So in India it is no,
Let's hear.
you are
Let's
pressurized.
let's hear it.
Basically, it's
Let's hear it from
I
Prince.
just need I
Uh,
just need to add one statement over here.
mhm,
Uh, there are so many big rich businessmen. They have started their business at young age.
mhm,
So if they don't start if they started from, like as you said, if they started at like 35 and 40, uh, age of 40, I don't think that they will reach that level
mhm.
as of now.
Let's hear it from Prince. Prince. Then I want to listen to Satyam and then Vinamrata
So
and Bhavana. Then I will again get back to Sanchit. Prince, go
Yeah,
on.
my suggestion to Ravi, if you want to do a business,
Do it now.
must go for it. Start from the low cost,
Mhm.
then step by step grow your business.
If you want to do it now. It is now or never.
Yeah, yeah.
At least wait for Corona pandemic. Let's get this over. Prince, go on.
But then his idea is to
A restaurant.
open a restaurant, which requires lakhs of amount. So yes, he has to
he,
wait, I believe.
he can
Ah,
sit with
I don't
arthritis
I
at the
don't think
line.
that restaurant needs
sorry, Prince, I didn't get
bucks
that.
of money. I don't think that
Yeah.
restaurant needs bucks of money.
Mhm.
it
Uh,
how you can
Basically,
But
if you want to start a
you can
restaurant,
go through like Wow Momos, Chayos. These are the recent examples.
No,
so
They
if
st-
I
you
I
can
just
start
told
a
you the
like
risk.
you can
It's
like start
wow
from a
momos
very
to get it
small.
famous. It took a lot of years.
how many years? 10 years.
Yes, I would at least you can say 10 years.
At least people know him. He started from scrap. So 10 years, like
Yeah,
it
yeah.
was 10 years. It is not an American story that we haven't read in the book. So we can take
As I
example.
told you, I do not have enough courage to take risk. As of now, the risk profile is very low.
But the question is like if you're not ready to take risk, so should you do business or not? That's what the question.
if
Uh,
if
I'm,
you are a
that
good
is why
inventor, or
that
you
is
like
why
Team
many
collaboration.
people.
All right, let's hear it from Prince. I
if
mean,
you are a
sorry.
good inventor, or like do you have any good invention
Mhm.
from that you can start your business. So I must say that basically that give you the expansion in the market. If you have something new product, like something new in the market. Wow Momos has something different idea. If you have something different idea, like uh, from other businessmen, so you can definitely compete the other in the
Okay.
market.
Now, let's hear it from Prince. Prince, go on.
One thing that uh, I came to know from Ravi's thing or his idea that he wants to provide a base to his children, and that Sanchit's thing that a job guy cannot provide something that Ravi will do, doing job and providing a restaurant,
Good.
because his
So
children
he
will
want
also
so he wants to plant a tree that he won't be able to get the fruits. He want his like children or offspring to get that.
maybe.
Okay. Now
So
let's hear it your opinion.
yeah, what I feel is I have seen many people starting, including my family members, too many family members, in started investing in business and failing again and again. I have seen my real uncle, my mama. He has invested so many times in so many different business, and uh, in at the age of 52 last year he started a new business. So and he'll do again and again. We know that, and I have seen people like not talking about Chanda Kochar or something, but people who are doing uh, jobs and they have provided solid base to their children, or they have provided too many properties or money to their children. I feel that it's about your interest. I totally feel that, because if you see my profession, I am totally into this because of my interest. I love doing theater. I love making plays. I love writing plays. That's why I'm here. I'm not into my dad's business. My dad is into his business. If I would have been in his business right now, there is no need of learning English for me. I would have earned better, and I earn because he has a goodwill in the market from 25 years. His shop was at Coffee House CP, and now it's the government shop in this market Gazipur. So if I'll go into that business, I can easily start making money and making good money. But he is waking up 2 o'clock in the morning from 1997. So that's why he didn't want me to be part of that business. He is having sugar, he is having BP because of not completing his sleeping hours. So a guy who is doing good in business never wanted his both the sons to be in that business. He always said that job is good. But again, I am in a different field without any base, because in this field only money can do nothing. So without base I am doing, and I am struggling in my field again. So I feel that it's about and in this type of situation where we cannot do anything to pollution, where we cannot do anything to traffic, we want everything to be sorted, but we can do nothing. That's why we find happiness in these type of
Hello,
things.
sir.
We
Sorry for
have
the delay.
started exploring ourselves,
So, all
what
right,
I feel.
Dharmesh, you're welcome.
Okay, so thank you.
Sorry.
Dharmesh just came and I'm like he got late with something. All right. So you want to say anything more, Prince?
Sorry to interrupt.
What we are
You
discussing
may
right now.
continue.
All right. What
Thank
we are
you.
discussing right now, which is better, doing business or doing job, or especially if you have to start something from scrap. All right. Let's hear it. Prince, you want to say anything more, or can I get somebody else to talk?
No, but I was just saying that it's totally about interest. So do what in which field you have, because after 1990, after globalization, people have started exploring themselves. Earlier it was not, people was not following their passion, or seeing that this job is not something which I like. Now people are doing this, so now this is the topic of discussion. So now people should uh, work in where they feel good. What I feel is, apart from money.
All right. Let's hear it from Satyam.
If I have a question,
Go on.
if in future, if you get a chance to open a theater, do you open the theater or like
Would you?
run the theater or like, or you simply go for your passion, like doing same job?
No, I am doing theater right now. So I have started
What I'm
my.
asking,
So you want
in
him to?
future, if you,
You're talking about like to establish a theater means like an organization or a group. Or you're talking
yeah,
about
as
a
an
concrete building
organization,
in terms of
theater, yeah,
no. Which
Yeah,
one?
obviously I'll do
theater as a
this only
business,
because I
if
am into.
Okay.
I'll
in terms
I'll
of
do
the,
this
in
only
terms
because
of
I'm into
business, like
this.
theater,
You're talking about a production house or something like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, that is my passion, and I'm in that field only. I'm doing that only.
So it means if you get a chance to open a any production in the future, you must go for it.
No, I'll not get chance. I'll create chance because I wanted to open because that's my dream to
He's
make a
saying
film.
that he's not waiting for
So
the opportunity. He will create an opportunity.
I have to make a film before 35 of my
This
age.
this
That's
give
my
this makes a
goal.
sense. Like,
that is also called a business.
it is not
Yeah,
about business. It is about
but
like
if you'll see
It's
my
about
movie,
dreams. It's
you,
not about
if you'll
job or
see my movie, that
yes.
movie would not be houseful or entertainment. That can be Thappad or Article 15. So you'll know he's following his passion. Because I
Uh,
want to make good films.
that's
Maybe
what we
like
call that
Three
art
Idiots or
art
something.
movies.
No, no, it's not like art movie. Three Idiots or Lage Raho Munna Bhai, that is not an art movie, but that is a good movie. A
Alright, that
good
is based on a
Something
movie
like
with
social
biopic
Concept,
and
social
responsibility.
concept movie,
realistic movie,
or realistic
good
movies,
concept.
right?
Yeah.
biopic
Sat,
and realistic.
biopics. Satyam, go on. Satyam, wake up. I believe Satyam has gone to buy something. No, you are here. All right. So, what do you think? Like, I
Your
hope
voice is not.
you were listening to us. You were not cheating like any other kid in his school days. I'm sure you must not be playing PUBG. Satyam, you're
Hello,
not.
sir.
Yeah, Satyam, you're not audible. Check your headphone or
He's
ear.
Tushar Kapoor of Golmaal.
Ah, seems like. Hello.
Ew.
Sir,
Let's
uh, what
Satyam,
is
like
going on? May I what topic and
I
what
told
like
you, like we're
very
discussing what should be like which is better, doing business or doing job, and especially business when you have to start something from scratch.
I am late today, na? Like
Now, with the
very
moment you
late.
joined, I said this. I believe I remember.
I joined right now.
I said you the moment
Like
you joined, I said this. It's all right.
uh,
So the discussion that we are doing right now, which is
yes,
better,
sir.
doing job or doing business? Let's hear it from Bhav.
Satyam,
Satyam,
we are
you
not able to
disconnect.
hear you. I think
You
you are trying
disconnect
to
and
say
reconnect.
something, but we are not able to.
Yes.
Yeah, please
Come out.
rejoin.
Come out of Golmaal. Bhavna, you can continue.
Yeah.
all right. So if we're talking about which one is better, either job or business, well, I can't say it because I completely believe that whatever is your passion, you should follow that. You can be successful in that field only. Either it is job or because many people are there out there who believe that business is not their cup of tea. You know, they don't like business. They can earn good from jobs. That's why they get success in jobs only. You know, there are people who start from scratch, who start from receptionist. I have seen such people who
Mhm.
I know a girl who started a job. She was she was a receptionist in an institution, and now she's a she's a uh, vice president of that institution. uh, just
Oh.
by her hard work. She
Great.
works very hard and she's very young.
Mm.
So yes, there are people like this, and I have seen many people who are into business. They are happy, they are earning good, but now they are, they miss their family time. They're not happy. Then they wish that they wish to have a job. They wish that they were doing a job. And there are people who are into job. They wish that they must have their own business so that they can get some time for themselves, so that they can, they don't work as a what do we say, slavery. They don't like
They
to
don't
work
work
as
as a
slavery,
slave.
as a slave. So yeah, it's about it's not about which one is better, because I feel if you have interest in something, you can make it good, you can make it better, either it is job or a business.
Well, the story started like a person who's selling. What about the security if you talk about like the person who's
Yeah,
selling or doing hawking in the street? Like, let's see, if he has a
yeah,
small
when
restaurant
you
like
talk
selling
about
something, the person who's working with the
security is
multinational.
something Indians are very much worried about, and they have to be actually, because they since childhood our parents start giving us instructions that you should save money so that you can, you can take care of us in our old age, and we do the same with our children. So yes, there is a burden of responsibility. So I believe that people think either if they have
Mm.
a business plan, many of people get a business plan after going into job, because they see that there is a slavery.
Mm-hmm.
Then they get an idea to have their own business. But then it's not true actually. If you really want to have a business, don't wait for time. If you have good idea, if you really have an interest, don't wait for time. But yes, you should have some financial uh, uh, support, so that your family would not suffer due to your plans. So yes, you should plan like in that way. It's all about planning, so it's not about for a correct moment. It's all about planning. You have good amount to spend in your business, or yeah, there are people who are into job, and apart from job they also do business.
Mm.
They are
They are
running both, like
multi-talented.
many YouTubers. Yeah, many YouTubers, they start when they start their business, their YouTube channel, they are into jobs, many of them. Once they see that they are earning little, they have started little earning from YouTube, they quit their job and they give full time to their channel. So by time they grow. So if you're thinking like by just going to into business you're going to earn in some time, no, it's not true. In business or in a job, you if you give your 100%, if you are crazy about your job,
Do
if
you do
your
you
work
do,
actually,
do you
then
think
only you
like
can earn.
doing business is more risky?
Yeah, actually it is, because there is no permanent income. Like one day you're earning in lakhs, or maybe one time, like in this pandemic, in during this pandemic, many businessmen actually wind up their business, which were good actually, and under whom thousands of people working. They fired off all those people, and they shut it down their business due to, so because they were not ready for such pandemic. So
All right. Bhavna, let me hear.
Sorry, but
Yes.
like
Yes.
if we talk about like Snapdeal.
Mm-hmm.
Snapdeal is going. The business of Snapdeal is uh, it's going very down. If I talk about in previous time,
It is not
They're
and
doing.
not going good. They're
afterwards,
not going good, and they have incurred
yeah,
lots of losses. And
they are incurring so much loss in their business,
Bhavna
But
has
they
and
are
then
still
mentioned one
existing.
then
day you
then then they go and
one
show
day
their
would
idea
you
to
would be
Ratan
earning
Tata,
lakhs of
and
rupees, but
Ratan
that
Tata,
day would be like
I am not able to understand any one of you.
Just one by one. Let me hear
One by
from
one.
uh,
Sir,
Abhinav.
Can I, sir?
All right, let's hear it from Satyam. We have
Yes,
we
sir.
have 8 minutes only, so let's hear it
Yes,
from you for 3 to 4 minutes.
Sir, I personally believe that there is no objective answer to this question. It's totally depend on subjective. If you talk about, I think people, what's the ultimate goal of people? Having good money, having good life, good wife, whatever you want in life, just satisfaction in life. These are the ultimate motto of people. They want to raise children in very good environments. They want
Every
to have
wife is good.
good.
Please don't say like this. What are you?
No, I am saying good life and good wife is the motto of most of the people.
Please be wise with your words.
No, I am wise. I said good life and good wife.
Okay.
But
Yesterday
yeah,
I was really in
we all
bad
said-
mood,
Just,
but
it was
after attending
sarcastic.
this
Sarcastic.
class, my mood got changed all of a sudden, and then I was literally so happy and chilled out just because of you, because you cracked jokes
Uh,
during classes.
no, Dharmesh is like he is
No, sir.
planning to
Please
start
don't.
something as a stand-up comedian.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yep.
I'm trying to be a little humorous, like as I said before.
Prince, you
Learning.
have one more candidate in your list.
Let me
Yeah,
complete
yeah,
my thought.
yes.
Yeah, please.
Satyam, please. Sorry
Go
for
on.
the interruption.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah. So actually, we want to have vacation in European countries. These are the motto. So if you talk about job, we all know about I think Santanu Agrawal, who is the Adobe CEO. Yeah, Satya Nadella, who is the Microsoft CEO. These are the employees. They are working as a job. Sundar Pichai, but he's earning, I think, more than $1 billion. His net asset is.
Yes.
I think most of the businessmen much more lower than these people's. These are just a job. They are doing just job. They are not. They have not their own business. There's a lot of example. If you talk about hedge fund manager, there are a lot of like George Soros. He is the 46th wealthiest person in the world. He's the biggest hedge manager in the New York City. He's not doing job.
So he's not doing
was
business.
Just working as a he was not doing business. There's a lot of person. So certainly, if you want to have business, then you need to have patience. You need to have a lot of this. As Prince was saying that my uncle was doing a lot of business and he got failed a lot of time. Certainly, you need to have patience. If you talk about Satya Nadella, Steve Jobs, they struggle a lot in their life to achieve the success. We just need to see that only the success part of his life, not the what kind of failure, what kind of obstacle he has in his life. We never appreciate. We can also say that a chai wala become the prime minister, but we need to see what kind of struggle Mr. Modi has done to reach.
We also have a biopic on Modi ji, right? Coming up. Was that released?
Yeah, it is
Not
already
yet.
released, sir, I think.
It was
I
super
think that
flop, sir.
Vivek Oberoi was.
No, I'm
Vivek
just
Oberoi
talking about
played
was it
that-
released or
Yeah,
not?
yeah, Vivek Oberoi.
Yeah,
Yes, it was released.
Released,
sir.
released. But BJP does not want to be remembered. Like they want it to be forgotten.
That's all right. I mean,
Sometimes,
not on
sometimes
political
things
part.
backfire.
Just a good to know information that was it released or not, like.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it has been released.
All right. And then let's get back to
Not
Satyam.
available on any streaming services.
Yeah.
It's good for
So
you.
actually, if you want to do business, it's depend on what kind of business you are. Sir, I think
Satyam,
someone is
you're
saying
audible.
something, sir.
No, don't worry. You continue.
Yeah.
We
So
all are
if you
listening
want
you
to
patiently.
start business, so if you want to do business, I think it's depend on what kind of business you are doing. Small business, big business. I think idea is certainly very important, as Abhinav was saying. But a person who is coming from the good MBA college like Wharton IIM, they have a lot of edge over the person. They are not studying till they haven't done MBA. They must have a lot of edge over them. And certainly most of the cases, these guys got success. We are very easily say that Mark Zuckerberg has no degree. What you say, Bill Gates has no degree, but they are drop out from the Stanford University. I think it's take a lot of guts to take admission in the Stanford or Princeton University, and these guys are the drop out of these colleges because they think that what I have now is much more higher than what college is providing us. That's why they drop. It's not like they didn't take any education.
All right, Satyam,
So
answer
I
my two
personally think
questions.
that
The first question was like, when we want to do business, like, should we wait to be more secure or safe, like after like having financial backup, or like as Ravi said, for like waiting for the retirement, or a complete one, or like Sanchit, like when you can earn better than a street. Do you also agree with the same statement, like a street hawker can make more money,
no, sir.
or like
Certainly, sir, it depends on the person. Sir, actually, I think if you want to do business, certainly you shouldn't wait. I think for business you need to have patience. You need to take risk. Then you will get success in the business. I think there are a lot of example also who started business very late and got success, but they are exception. If you want to do business, even Mark Zuckerberg and the Steve Jobs, yeah, any person who is very popular, they started the business in very early age. Even talk about the Oyo owner. I think Ritesh, his owner is Ritesh Oyo.
right. Let me tell you, the benefit of starting early is at least you are able to implement your learning or experiences. But when you are in your old
Yes, sir.
ages, you won't be able to implement the experience or the learning that you get out of the business.
And again, that you have a energy and power which you have in your early age, and that you don't have in your old age.
That's very true. As I said, like people, you might need another assistance. Okay, so guys, we are going to like get logged out in 1 minute 30 seconds, as the remaining time is showing up on the screen. I have noted certain words that you mispronounced. So I generated this meeting for 10 more minutes. If you want, I can discuss this today, or we can discuss it on Monday. Both the options are available.
We can discuss today.
I mean, just for 10 more minutes, I have generated another meeting. You guys are not getting late. We can discuss that feedback.
Yeah, we can
Monday
discuss.
is also a good day. If you see,
So we reached our home, so we are not.
Now, Prince is saying that Monday is again a better day to start.
Tomorrow is altogether another day.
but we talked that if you want to start anything, start right now. So let's
Let's start.
All right, so let me end this, and you can reconnect with the same ID password. I have a couple of words that you mispronounced, right? And I'll share that just for 5 minutes, not more than that, I believe. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sir.